Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves, which are in the left upper corner. It does not really matter on which mode you will be. Simply enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings option. Let's tap on it and tap on reset. As you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.